children say now? I mean, magkakasama kayo all the way, and they've seen you as a parent, they've seen you as an actress, and now they see you with your other things that you are doing. What do they say? I bet hero ka nila.
I hear them tell that to other people. So mas nakakilig yun pag yung sasabihin nila sa iba, tapos hindi nila alam na didinig mo sila. Or when other people tell me that my children told them that. Parang mas merong merit yun, ano? Like, my 3 children who are parents already, pag nadidinig ko silang kinakausap nila yung mga anak nila, and sometimes almost literally, adverbatim, yung sinabi namin sa kanila nung lumalaki sila, sasabihin nila sa mga anak nila. Sabi ko, and you know, I have goose pimples as I say this, no? Sabi ko nga, pwede na ako mamatay. Pag gano'n. Hindi pong gano'n.
Kasi you did a good job. Parang,
Yeah,
oh, I did something right.
Your parenting was well worth it, you know. Yung gano'n. Tsaka, totoo talaga yon yung sinasabi nila that, your good example is your best way to teach.
Yes, totoo yun. And then, medyo konti, I'll ask you about Tito Pete. You were together. You were together until the time that he passed on. Ano nga ba ang sikreto sa marriage? What was your secret? Is there a secret?
Siguro hindi ako naniwala doon. And pareho din, siya din yata, gano'n, no? Hindi kami yung give and take. Kasi pag give and take yan, pag nagbigay ka, you expect to take back. So, give and give na lang because we thought that the taking will take care of itself. When you give, may byproducts yan, babalik din yan sa'yo. It's like even in ordinary things, di ba tayo, pagbukas ang palad natin sa pagbigay ng whatever, the material things to others, your service, your time, it comes back to you 100-fold. Sometimes, at times, we least expect it from people we least expect it from, di ba? Circumstances that, you know, we're surprised are there. Siguro, ganun yung nangyari dun sa marriage namin.